Wolves 2, Liverpool 1. A frustrating, ragged performance by Arne Slot's team. Welcome to Marching Reds. I'm Aman Chima, and here I am to review the game between Wolverhampton Wanderers and Liverpool played at the Molineux Stadium in the Premier League. And as you can clearly see, I am not happy. Let's start from the beginning. The fact that we had this golden opportunity to go level on points with Manchester United and Aston Villa and put some pressure on those teams because we are the chasing team here. And although you can say that Chelsea are currently sixth, but with their goal difference being superior, even if they're level on points, they go above us. So playing a team which is currently 20th in the table, and yes, they've got a bit of a resurgence going on in the last few weeks. I was hoping for a good performance from Liverpool, and hopefully that would have turned into 3 points and just would have set our season up perfectly, because then it would have been the FA Cup game, then going to the Champions League game. You just knew that there would have been good positive vibes within the squad, but with this result, it seems as if like we've taken 3-4 steps back in our pursuit of finishing in the top 4, top 5 race. And yeah, it is frustrating, to be honest. Looking at the lineups, Arne Slot decided to start with Jeremy Frimpong instead of Joe Gomez, and that was the only change. So it was Alisson in goal, Jeremy Frimpong, Konate, Van Dijk, Milos Kerkez. In the midfield, it was Gravenberch, McAllister, Dominic Soboslai, and up top was Cody Gakpo, Hugo Ekitike, and Mohamed Salah. The game started like the first 45. I would even stretch on to say that even for the first 75 odd minutes or so, the game was just going along. It was just looking as if it's a mere formality to, like, come on to the pitch and play the game. And as a Liverpool fan, of course, knowing very well on how Wolves have been doing recently, you would have taken a 0-0 at halftime. But I wasn't impressed with the energy or the lack of, I won't say effort, but the lack of intensity in which the ball was being moved when we had the ball. And for me, it was too casual, a bit passive, and a bit slow. So koi momentum tha hi nahi. I mean, even with the fact that we had majority of the possession, the fact that we created whatever chances we could and sort of eliminated Wolves to 0 attempts, and of course 0 attempts on target. On one hand, it was good कि हमने उनके अटैक को नलीफाई कर दिया, बट अपने ऑफेंसिव ऑप्शंस भी ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं रहे थे. एंड दैट वाज समथिंग विच वाज एक्सपेक्टेड फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स, बिकॉज अगर आप थोड़ा सा इसको जूम आउट करके देखो, आप वुल्व्स के स्टेडियम में खेल रहे हो जो कि अभी आर्सेनल से ड्रॉ करके आ रही है, एस्टन विला को हरा कर आ रही है, राइट? एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे वुड वांट टू पुट इन अ बिग परफॉर्मेंस हियर टू गेट अनदर बिग फिश. पहले 15-20 मिनट में इफ यू कुड हैव गॉटन अ गोल, not saying that there were any signs of it, but it would have at least settled our nerves, and then it would have been Wolves who would have been chasing the game. But kuch nahi hota hai. And then in the second half, although we got a few golden opportunities to get ahead, but we weren't able to pounce on it. And एक तो मेरे को कॉर्नर याद आता है, like the ball is swung inside the box, and उससे पहले भी जो कॉर्नर्स हम लोग फर्स्ट हाफ में ले रहे थे, लाइक वी आरंट इवन एबल टू बीट द फर्स्ट मैन, विच वाज अगेन सो डिप्रेसिंग टू सी. बट ठीक है, like it, rather than me thinking about it now, or even for that matter during that game, I wanted to sort of put in any positive energy that I could and eliminate all non positive energies. But ठीक है, बॉल आती है, Hugo Ekitike gets a touch and lays it back to the far post, and वहां पे कर्टिस जोन्स हेड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बट वहां पे कोडी गैक्पो भी है जो कि आई डोंट थिंक कर्टिस जोन्स को देखता है, बट ही गेट्स हिज फुट ऑन इट, एंड द बॉल इज टेकन अवे फ्रॉम कर्टिस जोन्स. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कोडी गैक्पोस टच, द बॉल स्पिन्स अराउंड इन अ डिफरेंट वे एंड क्रॉस पार पे लगती है, तो मिलोस कर्किस जो कि रशियन कर रहा था वो भी हेड नहीं कर पाता है. एंड somehow Wolves are able to manage that situation. And एक और चांस आता है जब रियो एनगमोआ is inside the box. काफी cleverly he is able to take that shot away, and Jose Sa की वो fingertip save pushes the ball away. वो भी पोल पे लग के उधर चली जाती है, and then you just felt कि यार वैसे ही चांसेस इतनी मुश्किल से आ रहे हैं, और अगर जब आ रहे हैं तब भी हम लोग उनको कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. एंड इट वाज सीमिंग एज इफ लाइक वी आर मिसिंग दैट स्पार्क. एंड सीधा मेरा दिमाग पहले तो फ्लोरियन वियर्ट्स की इंजरी पे गया कि लाइक वी वुड हैव लव्ड फॉर हिम टू start in this game, play an impactful role in this game, but ठीक है, I just hope कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी फिट होके वापस आ जाए because there are still a lot of games to play for. And उसके बाद Wolves with their first attack on goal get their goal, and it's so disappointing the fact that a long ball is played in. Van Dijk, who is ready to head it out or like head it further ahead up the pitch, gets a slight nudge. He's off balance, and जो Wolves का player है, he is able to pass the ball to Gomez, उनका Gomez, जो कि आ रहा था, no signs of offside, and वहां पे I felt Konate could have stuck with him more, and Gomez का पहला touch takes the ball inside the box, Alisson भी rush in करके आता है, and वहां पे लग रहा था कि लेकिन क्या पता Konate tackle मार दे या फिर Alisson is able to save it, but that was a good finish by Gomez. Wolves 1-0, and उसके बाद we saw an active Liverpool, an energetic Liverpool, and मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है कि आपको सीरियसली वेट करना था क्या कंसीड करने के लिए, बिकॉज अगर आप यही एनर्जी, यही प्रोएक्टिवनेस पहले दिखाते इन द फर्स्ट हाफ, इन द स्टार्टिंग स्टेजेस ऑफ सेकंड हाफ, डेफिनेटली यू वुड हैव बीन इन मच बेटर पोजीशन, भले वो स्कोर लाइन पे रिफ्लेक्ट होना हो. तो दैट वाज अ नाइस थिंग एंड अ बैड थिंग टू सी. उसके बाद मोहम्मद साला gets his goal after like what 4 odd months or so in the Premier League, and काफी अच्छा उसने finish किया. He gets the ball जो कि एक misplaced pass था by Bellegrade, and he makes a dart towards the box, gets inside the box, and with his left foot finishes it off. And ठीक है, good, अच्छी बात है. Like I was up from my chair, and I just hoped that okay, still 10-15 मिनट हैं, we can sneak in a goal here. And तब तो मोमेंटम सारा लिवरपूल के पास था. द फैक्ट दैट वी वर गेटिंग अ फ्यू चांसेस, मोमेंट्स भी लाइक हमारे लिए फॉल कर रहे थे. एंड हैविंग सेड दिस, एकदम से ये ओपन गेम बन गई. लाइक इट वाज एन एंड टू एंड गेम इन द लास्ट 10 odd minutes or so. फिर 6 minutes I added on, and of course, Wolves, who had nothing to lose, they were going for the win. And Liverpool, of course, knew the consequences of any result for that matter that they would be getting from this game. And वहाँ पे एंड्रे को बॉल मिलती है right outside the box. He takes a shot जो कि डिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है. एंड वहाँ पे काफी मोमेंट्स थे जहाँ पे वी कुड हैव बीन स्विच्ड ऑन. फर्स्ट, इतना ज्यादा टाइम दे दिया आपने एंड्रे को टू थिंक अबाउट वट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू नेक्स्ट व्हेन ही गॉट द बॉल. कोई प्रेस नहीं था, कोई उसको आके नज नहीं कर रहा था, कोई टैकल नहीं कर रहा था. एंड देन he's got ample time to take a shot, and that also gets deflected from Joe Gomez, and Alisson तो कुछ कर नहीं पाया because एकदम से जहाँ पे शॉट जा रहा था, he took a step there, but with that deflection the ball went the other way. And yeah, उससे पहले like I think it was 3-4 minutes before that chance, Mohamed Salah, who was running towards the goal, had two defenders in front of him, but उसी के साथ साथ उसके पीछे Szoboszlai was running from his right side and Ekitike from his left side. So he tried to pass the ball to Szoboszlai, and he would have been in on goal, and with the way that he's been performing this season, he would have definitely scored. But उनका जो प्लेयर है डिफेंडर वुल्व्स का, क्रेजिचिच करके, he had a brilliant game. He gets that touch, that vital interception, and these were the small margins कि वहां पे हम लोग जहाँ पे somehow conceded that first goal, got ourselves back in the game, and we had the chance to create this golden opportunity again for us, gets intercepted. And फिर वहां पे जब like Wolves ने second goal अपना score किया, that was a deflection. And मतलब I won't say it was unlucky. I mean it was unlucky because deflection से like आप क्या ही control कर सकते हो. But did Liverpool deserve to win? I mean, I would never say no to that question, but yeah, wasn't a good performance today. So a quite frustrating game because I'm sure Liverpool must have known the fact that कितनी बड़ी opportunity उन्होंने miss करी है. And more than that, it was just disappointing to see the way they turned up. And yeah, मतलब what ifs सोच सोच के लगता है कि भाई like अगर एक दो चीजें within the game हो जाती, लेट्स से दैट वो कर्टिस जोन्स और कोडी गैक्पो का जो मिक्सअप हुआ है, रियो एनगमुआ का जो शॉट हमने लिया था वो डिफ्लेक्ट हो गया था, and the way that Wolves scored that winner, especially like in the 94th minute or so. मतलब, yeah, it's deflating. It's definitely a sinking feeling, and I'm sure that all the Liverpool players would be disappointed with this game, with this performance. And instead of just blaming it on a deflection or like how unlucky we were, we knew that we could have, with a better performance, with a better intensity, with a better energy, should have come away from this game with those 3 points. And like you know, फिर देखते कि भाई कल बाकी teams कैसे respond करती हैं उस चीज़ को. But ठीक है, it's still a long way to go. 9 more games are still left in the Premier League, and ठीक है, I'm not losing any hope even for a bit, but it is what it is. We have to move on. There is no other option. And yeah, I just hope that this performance is one of the last performances we've seen this season, because if such performances continue, or if like such halves or such lack of fluidity is still persistent with this Liverpool team, it would be a tough job to get a top 4, top 5 finish. So that was the review, and those were my thoughts on this game. Let me know what you thought if you watched this game, and if you are not a Liverpool fan, let me know how happy you are to see us beaten by a team which has, or on the looks of it, looks like as if their fate has been already sealed. So this was pretty much it, and even I need time to recover from this. But we go on. It's a different competition in the next game, and now it would be something to prove if even if we go for a changed lineup for that game. More on that in the next video, and yeah, I'll see you very shortly. Till then, take care.